In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Fortnite account from Switch to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and make sure that all of your progress in Fortnite on the Switch gets transferred over to a PlayStation 5. So, as you might be aware, when you play Fortnite on any platform, you have to use an Epic account. So all that you have to do is link the Epic account to both the Nintendo account that you use and the PlayStation Network account. So all that you have to do first is go over to store.epicgames.com and in this website, sign into the Epic Games account that you use. So once you choose the sign in option at the top, you will be able to go over here and choose account. You can access this page on a web browser on your computer or your phone, whatever you prefer. So once you click on account, you will be able to find apps and accounts at the left side of the screen here. So switch over from apps to accounts, and once this is done, you will be able to connect all of the accounts here. So as you can see, I have linked an Xbox, PlayStation Network, and Nintendo account. What this means is that regardless of the platform that I sign in, I will always have access to the same progress between all of them. So all that you have to do is link your Nintendo account and your PlayStation Network account. Sadly, I won't be able to show you the full process because it contains personal information, but once you click connect, you will be redirected to this website where you can confirm your Epic Games email and consequently confirm your PlayStation Network or Nintendo account. Once both accounts are linked to the same Epic Games account, you will be able to sign into the Epic account and all of your progress will be shared between those platforms. You will be able to do this with as many accounts as you want and the progress will remain indefinite. You don't have to repeat this process from time to time. As soon as you connect it once, it is going to remain connected without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Fortnite account from Switch to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.